Making money work while you rest. Have you ever wondered why some people seem to earn money even while they sleep, while others work tirelessly every single day just to survive? Imagine waking up in the morning, checking your phone, and seeing that you earned income overnight. Not because you worked extra hours, but because your money was working for you. That is not luck. That is not magic. That is a mindset. And today, we're going to talk about making money work while you rest. The truth about time and money. Every single one of us has the same 24 hours in a day. No one gets more, no one gets less. The difference between financial struggle and financial freedom often comes down to how those hours are used. Most people trade time for money. They work 1 hour, they get paid for 1 hour. When they stop working, the income stops. There is nothing wrong with working hard. Hard work builds character, discipline, and experience. But there is a hidden danger if working is your only way to earn money, because time is limited and expenses never stop. If your income depends only on your physical effort, you are always one step away from financial stress. But when you learn to make money work for you, something powerful happens. You break the chain between time and income. The wealthy think differently. Wealthy individuals don't just work for money, they make money work for them. They build systems, investments, and assets that continue generating income long after the initial effort is completed. They understand one powerful principle: employees work for money, the wealthy build money machines. Money machines are not complicated. They are simply assets that generate income repeatedly. It could be investments, businesses, intellectual property, or digital content. The goal is simple: create something once that continues to pay you again and again. The power of passive income. Passive income is often misunderstood. Many people think it means earning money without doing anything. That is not true. Passive income usually requires effort, discipline, and patience at the beginning, but once the system is built, it continues to work with less daily effort. Think about planting a tree. You water it, protect it, and nurture it when it is small. But once it grows strong, it produces fruit every season, even if you are resting. Money works the same way. Why this matters more than ever. We live in a fast-changing world. Jobs are evolving. Technology is replacing many traditional roles. The cost of living continues rising in many parts of the world. If you depend on only one source of income, you are vulnerable. But if you create income streams that work for you build stability and freedom. Financial freedom is not about being rich for luxury. It's about having choices. It's about having time for your family. It's about living without constant financial fear. When money works for you gain control over your life. Step 1. Change your mindset. Before money can work for you, your thinking must change. Stop asking, how can I earn more money today? Start asking, how can I build something that earns money for years? This shift changes everything. It moves from short-term survival to long-term wealth building. Step 2. Understand assets versus liabilities. One of the biggest secrets of financial success is understanding the difference between assets and liabilities. Assets put money into your pocket. Liabilities take money out of your pocket. Many people buy expensive items to appear successful, but appearances do not create freedom. Assets do. Assets can include investments in stocks or funds, rental properties, businesses, intellectual property, or digital content. The goal is simple: create something once that continues to pay you again and again. Step 3. Start small, but start now. Many people delay investing because they believe they need a large amount of money. That belief stops more dreams than poverty ever does. You do not need to start big. You just need to start early. Small, consistent investments grow through the power of compounding. Compounding means your money earns profit, and then that profit earns more profit. Time is the most powerful partner in wealth creation. Even small amounts can grow into life-changing financial security if given enough time. Step 4. Build systems, not just effort. Successful people focus on building systems. A system works when you are not present. For example, a business with trained employees, a YouTube channel earning from views, an online course selling automatically, investments growing in the background. Systems allow your effort to multiply. Instead of working once for one payment, you work once for repeated payments. Step 5. Be patient and consistent. Making money work while you rest is not a get-rich-quick journey. It's a disciplined journey. It requires patience, learning, and consistent action. Many people quit too early because they don't see immediate results. But remember this, farmers don't dig up seeds every day to check if they are growing. They trust the process. Wealth grows the same way, quietly, gradually, powerfully. Step 6. Continue learning. The world of finance, investing, and business is always changing. The more you learn, the better decisions you make. Read books, watch educational content, study successful people, learn from mistakes, both yours and others. Knowledge protects your money and multiplies your opportunities. The real goal is freedom. The goal is not just money. The goal is freedom. Freedom to choose work you enjoy. Freedom to spend time with your loved ones. Freedom to rest without financial fear. Freedom to live life on your terms. When money works for you, you gain control over your life. Imagine your future. Imagine waking up knowing your investments are growing. Imagine earning income while spending time with your family. Imagine having options when opportunities appear. That future is possible. Not overnight, not without effort, but absolutely possible. Every wealthy person started with a decision, the decision to think differently about money. Your action starts today. You do not need to change everything today. Just start with one step. Save a small percentage of your income. Learn about investing. Explore ways to build passive income. Reduce unnecessary expenses. Focus on long-term financial habits. Small steps repeated daily create massive transformation. Remember this powerful truth. If you only work for money, you will work forever. But if money works for you, you create freedom forever. Your future is being built by the financial decisions you make today. The sooner you start, the stronger your future becomes. So plant the seeds, build the systems, stay patient, stay consistent, and one day you will wake up and realize your money is working while you rest.